Excuse ma'am. Yes, please. You have some stationery for me? Yes, I have many stationery for you. Please show me some notebooks. Here are your notebooks. This one. What the price of this one? Its price only 60 rupees. Sounds good. Please pack. Okay ma'am. Do you want to purchase another thing? Yes, I want to purchase another thing. Do you have some pouch? Yes, I have many pouch for you. Please show me. This one, and this one. What the price of this one? Its price only 300 rupees. Sounds bad. Please ma'am, give me some discount. Sorry ma'am, discount is not available. Please. Sorry ma'am. Please. Okay ma'am. I am giving you it within 250 rupees. Sounds good. Please pack. Okay ma'am. Ma'am, you have some colors? Yes, I have many colors for you. Please show me. Here are your colors. This one and this one. What the price of this one? Its price only 100 rupees. Sounds good. Please pack. Okay ma'am. Ma'am, do you have some pens? Yes, I have many pens for you. Please show. This one, and this one. Here are your pens. Ma'am, what the price of both? These price only 50 rupees. Sounds good. Please pack. Okay ma'am. Do you have some pencils? Yes, I have many pencils. Please show me. Here are your pencils. What the price of both? These both price only 20 rupees. Sounds good. Please pack. Ma'am, do you have some sticky notes? Yes, I have many sticky notes for you. Please show me. Here are your sticky notes. This one and this one. What the price of this one? Its price only 5 rupees. Sounds good. Please pack. What the total amount of everything, ma'am? The total amount is only 100 rupees. Sounds good. Ma'am, I am giving you cash or payment. Here is both available. It's your choice. Ma'am, your payment. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Actually, I wanna purchase t-shirt as well as jeans. Do you have?
Yes, ma'am. I have many t-shirt as well as jeans.
Show me.
Just a movement. Look at ma'am. This one, and this one.
Fantastic. Show me red one and black one.
Just a movement. Look at ma'am. Which one do you like out of this?
What is the price of red one?
2000 rupees only.
Sounds bad. Can you give me some discount?
Sorry, ma'am. There is no discount available.
Please, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please.
Okay, ma'am. Not your, not mine. Make it 1000 rupees.
Okay, pack it.
Just a movement. Okay, ma'am. Anything else? Do you wanna purchase?
Yes. Do you have earrings?
Yes, ma'am. I have many beautiful earrings.
Show me.
Just a movement. Look at ma'am.
Okay, pack it. Tell me my total amount.
Your total amount is 1500 rupees.
How may I pay, online or cash?
Choice is yours.
Here you are.
Thank you, ma'am. Please visit again.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
How can I help you?
Please, ma'am. Actually, I wanna purchase diamond ring. You have a diamond ring?
Yes, ma'am. I have a many types of diamond ring.
Please show me.
Wait, ma'am. I will show you. Ma'am, this one, this one, this one.
These are amazing. What is the price of this diamond ring?
Ma'am, only 2 lakhs rupees.
Oh, sounds bad. Please give me some discount.
Sorry, ma'am. Discount are not available.
Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Give me some discount.
Okay, ma'am. I give you 2% discount.
Oh, thank you so much. Otherwise, I wanna purchase gold rings. You have a gold rings?
Yes, ma'am. Wait, I will show you. Ma'am, this one, this one, this one.
Oh, these are amazing. What is the price of this gold ring?
Ma'am, this gold ring only for 15,000 rupees.
Oh, sounds good. Please, I will purchase. Please give me a gold ring. What's the? Please give me some discount.
Ma'am, I will give you 3% discount.
Oh, sounds good. Do you take online or cash?
Ma'am, both are available.
Oh, here you take it.
Ma'am, thank you. Come back soon.
Bye.
Take care.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Actually, sir, I wanna purchase one adapter. Do you have adapter?
Yes, I have adapter.
Okay. What's the price of that adapter?
That adapter price is 400 rupees.
Sounds bad, sir. Please give me some discount.
Sorry, sir. There is no discount available.
Please, sir. Please give me some discount.
Okay, sir. You can get it within 300 rupees.
Sounds good, sir. Pack it one adapter.
Okay, sir.
And what's the price of data cable?
Yes, sir. Data cable price is 100 rupees.
Okay, sir. Pack one data cable also.
Okay, sir. Sir, anything else do you wanna purchase?
Yes, I wanna purchase one last thing. I wanna purchase earbud. Do you have earbud?
I have earbud.
What's the price of earbud?
Earbud price is 2000 rupees.
Oh my God, it's very costly. Please give me in 1800 rupees. Otherwise, I'll not purchase.
Okay, sir. You can get it.
Okay, sir. Do you tell me my total amount?
Your total amount is 2200 rupees.
Okay, sir. Do you take cash or online?
Here are both available.
Here are you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Come back soon, sir. Take care, sir.
Take care, sir. Bye.
Very good. That's fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Actually, ma'am, I want to purchase watch. Do you have watches?
Yes, ma'am. We have many watches.
Show me.
Ladies.
Ladies' watches.
This one, this one, this one.
Oh, what is price of that watches?
500 rupees. Only
Oh, sounds good. Please give me some discount.
No, ma'am.
Please, ma'am. Please give me some discount.
No, ma'am.
Please, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh,
Only 500 rupees.
oh, sounds good. Please pack it. Here, you are take online or cash?
Both are available.
Here are you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Visit again.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Start.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, please. I want to purchase some paint, colors. Do you have different type of colors? Yes, I have many types of colors: pencil colors, watercolors, poster colors. What are watercolors? Paint with water. It's light. Not that. What about poster colors? Poster color is very thick color. That sounds good. Please give me one set of poster colors. What is the price of poster colors? Poster color price is 300 rupees. Okay. Do you want anything else? Yes, I want a brush. Do you have different sizes of brush? Yes, I have many sizes of brush. A small one, a medium one, a large one. Okay, please give me a medium one. And what is the price of medium one brush? Medium one brush price is 50 rupees. Okay, please give me a medium one brush. And what is my total bill? Your total bill is 350 rupees. Okay, in which form do you want to take your money? In cash or online? Cash. Here you are. Thank you, sir. Come back soon, sir. Take care, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I want to purchase bag. Do you have bag?
Yes, sir. I have many bags.
Please show me.
Sir, this one and this one and this one.
Okay. Sir, what is the price of this bag?
Sir, this bag is price of 4,000, sir.
Sounds bad. Sir, please, some discount.
Sir, no, sir. There is no discount available.
Please, sir, please, some discount.
Okay, sir. You can take it in 4,000, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, please pack it this bag.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the price of study table?
Sir, study table price is 3,000, sir.
Sir, please show me study table.
Sir, this one is study table and this one is.
Sounds good. So, please pack it this study table.
Okay, sir. Sir, another else you wanna purchase? Another thing?
Yes, sir. I want to purchase one as last thing. Do you
What,
have
sir?
study lamp?
Yes, sir. I have a study lamp.
What is the cost of study lamp?
Sir, a study lamp cost is 8,000, sir.
Oh my God, it's very costly price. So give me 5,000. Otherwise, I will not purchase.
Okay, sir. You can take it.
Okay. Oh, my total amount, sir.
Sir, your total amount is 10,000, sir.
I pay online or cash, sir.
Sir, here are both available. Choice is yours, sir.
Sir, I pay online. Sir, please show me barcode.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, please check it pay or not.
Yes, sir. Received payment.
Okay, thank you, sir. Nice to meet
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello sir, how are you?
I am fine. So, sir, I am planning buy a new phone.
Loud.
Can you have? Yes, I have many phones. This demo model, Redmi, Realme, Samsung. Other. Oh, I want to buy a phone Redmi. This Redmi is very good and the camera quality is also very good. So this price is only 17,999 only. That's good. Oh, so can I check the phone? Yes, sir. This is here is the demo model. Oh, what is the quality of this camera? Camera quality is very good. Absolutely. Okay. So can you give me some discount, please? This is festive time, so I will discount you only 1,000 rupees. Okay. That's good. So price? तो सर ये है मेरा तो उसके बाद तो you will pay this phone Redmi.
Sorry, sir.
जबरदस्ती आ रहा है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Actually, ma'am, I want some vegetable. Do you have vegetable?
Yes, I have many vegetable.
Oh, sounds good. By the way, what is price of red potato?
That potato price is 200 per kg.
Oh, sounds bad. Can you give me some discount, ma'am?
Sorry, ma'am. Here is no discount.
Please, ma'am. Please give me some discount, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Can you get it wedding 100 per kg?
Oh, sounds good. Pack it 1 kg.
Okay, ma'am. Get it, ma'am. Take.
What is my total amount, ma'am?
Yeah. Your total amount is, ma'am, 100.
Here you are, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, please. I want to purchase some copies. Yes, I have a many copies. Please see me. This one, and this one. This copy is very good. What is the cost of this copy? This copy is price is only 200. Okay, ma'am. How will I pay? There are both available. I give you cash. Yes. Hey, here. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Actually, sir, I want to purchase shirt. Do you have shirt?
Yes, I have shirt. Look at this one, and this one.
Oh, sounds good. I want to purchase. What is the by the way? What is the price of shirt?
Shirt price is 700 rupees.
Sounds bad. Can you give me some discount?
Sorry, sir. There are no discounts available.
Please, sir. Please give me some discount.
Okay, sir. You can get it within 500 rupees.
Oh, sounds good. Okay, please pack.
Okay, sir.
I want to, sir, what is the price of jeans?
This price is 1,000 rupees.
Okay, sir. Please pack one jeans.
Sounds good, sir. Sir, anything else? Do you want to purchase?
And sir, I want to one last thing.
What, sir?
I want to purchase t-shirt. What is the price of t-shirt?
T-shirt price is 500 rupees.
Oh my God, it's very costly. Please give me 500 rupees. Otherwise, I will not purchase.
Okay, sir. You can take it.
Okay, sir. Tell me my total amount.
Your total amount is 2,000 rupees.
do you have take online or cash?
Here are both available.
Here are you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ciao, sir.
Come back soon, sir. Take care, sir.
Ciao, sir.
Ciao, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
I wanna purchase one gel pen. Do you have gel pen?
Yes, I have so many gel pen. Of which brand of gel pen do you want to purchase?
Domes.
Okay, here you all.
Thank you. What is the price of this pen?
This pen costs 100 rupees.
Oh, sounds bad. Give me some discount.
Okay, I will make it of 70 rupees.
Sounds good.
Do you want to purchase something else?
Yes, I wanna purchase one ball pen.
Of which brand?
Domes.
Okay, here you all.
Thank you. What is my total amount?
Your total amount is only 100 rupees.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. Come back soon, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Everything in the sort. That's nice one, beta.